Today's subject is health education and community pharmacy, and chapter 1 is concept of health. And in this section, we have to see the subtopic, that is determination of health. Determination is simply called as the simply calculation. How to calculate the health? Then you have to see the fourth. The determination of health is socio-economic conditions. Social means social, living in the group of community, and economic means related with the income or money. Socio-economic conditions. It is related to the determination of health, and it includes socio-economic conditions. Includes the first is income. Income is the source of money. Then second is the education. Then educated about the socio-economic conditions and the health conditions. And third is the nutrition. The nutrition provides the sources for the good health. Then employment and housing. Employment and housing give the standard to the health. Employment means the paid work to earn the income, and proper housing to have the good health. So socio-economic conditions are includes first income, second education, third nutrition, fourth employment and housing. Then we have to see one by one. The first is income. Income means it is the source of money, because the rich people means who have the large money and more amount of money have a capacity to seek means to achieve to a better medical care, because these people have more money and spends money for the better medical care, for the health. So they are healthy. But in next case, the rich people are inactive. Inactive means they have not have hard work and they are sedentary. Sedentary means sedentary lifestyle includes the persons are inactive or no physical activity. They are only sitting or lying and engaged in, for example, reading books, then social activities, then watching TVs, then mobiles, and sitting down in the one place for the more time. It is called as sedentary lifestyle, and it is inactive nature. Therefore, this type of rich peoples, they are prone to the diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. So this is about the income. Then second is the education. Then education is very important for the determination of health and for the good health. Education, especially in case of the female education. Female education means in case of the pregnancy, the menstruation, the lactation, then family planning. The female are more educated for the good health. The female education have influence on the health. The education helps people to understand the importance of the clean environment for the good health, and second, maintaining the good health. How to maintain the good health, and it is mostly depend on the education of the female education. It is important for the good health. Then next is you have to see the nutrition. Nutrition is also essential for the good health, because starvation means lack of food. The condition is called as the starvation. The starvation has an adverse effect on the health. If food is not given to the person, then their health is very poor. And in case of the starvation, lack of food for people's health. Then good nutrition is essential for normal growth. Then and also for resistant against infections. So nutrition is very important for the good health. Then next is the employment and housing. Employment means the paid work for earning the money source, and the housing. It is essential for this good health. The employment provides the income. Then employed people enjoy the good health, because who have the income means who have the more money to it, to earn the income with the help of employment. But due to the lack of income, and unemployed people do not have access to the health care, because for the poor condition. Then next we have to see the fifth determination of health services is health services. How health services is essential for the good health. The aim of the health, family and welfare services is to treat disease, prevent illness and promotion of the health. This is the aim of the health and family welfare services, about to treat the various disease conditions. Then second, prevent the illness and promotion of the health services. For example, these health services provides like safe water supply for the people health and immunization, time to time immunization to prevent the variety of the diseases. So this type of work can be done by the health and family welfare services for the community or for the society for the good health. Then the last, determination of health depends on the other health related services. Other health related services includes, for example, agriculture for proper nutrition, then education, educated about the health services, then industry, then and rural development. This is essential for the good health. Then they have an impact on the health by raising the standards of the living. They also raising the standards of the living. Then health standards can be increased by raising the standard, include the health related services. Then in this lecture we have to see the determination of health. It includes the first is socio-economic conditions, then next is health services, and last is other health related services. So it includes all about the determination of health.